Hi, I'm Matthew Adams. I'm the director of the Albright Institute in Jerusalem, and we're talking about the 2 years of construction activity that we've been doing during the coronavirus pandemic. And here it is, guys. This is the cherry on top of everything. This is the hostel. After 121 years, the Albright finally has bathrooms privately in every single bedroom. And that's what I want to show you today. Since the building was finished in 1925, the 12 rooms upstairs in the main part of the hostel have all shared bathrooms. We were very excited already back in 2017 with a generous gift from a donor to add private bathrooms to 3 of those rooms. And everybody at the Albright thought this was the greatest thing to ever happen to the Institute. Well, when Corona began and we had this time in our hands and some additional funding, we decided that we needed to take the next big step, which was to add private bathrooms to every single hostel room upstairs. This was no easy task because to add the square footage of a bathroom meant reconfiguring a lot of the space upstairs, the walls between rooms. Of course, the windows to the outside of the building couldn't be changed. So we had an architect working with us to completely redesign the entire floor plan upstairs to accommodate the same number of rooms plus bathrooms. Well, in the end, we were not only able to add bathrooms, but also add 1 additional room upstairs. So I'm very proud to introduce the Albright's fully private bathroom ensuite hostel facility. Of course, in renovating all these rooms, we also had to reconsider what we were going to do in terms of furniture. Now, a lot of the furniture that we've been using over the last several years, we've actually been using over the last several decades. So much of it wasn't going to survive very well the renovation project, just in terms of being moved around. And second, it was time for a modernization of all the furniture up there. What we really tried to do with furniture selection was to find something that was durable, nice looking, fit the general atmosphere of the building without being too stylistic. We wanted something that just worked and was somewhat timeless. We were very happy to be able to find the right pieces for the job at IKEA. We made several trips to IKEA, a lot of us on the staff, picking out items and hauling it back to the Institute. I hope you enjoyed that tour of your brand new Albright hostel. 12 rooms, 2 big family apartments. We're ready to welcome you on your next trip. In the meantime, good night.